Okay then. Well, um, you join us in somewhere in Lincolnshire, and if you look over there, that's me. Yeah. Our what month are we in? July? June. June challenge is one of bikes, beach, and barbecue. So we're gonna go find a beach. We're gonna go chill there for a while. And then later on we're going to have a barbecue and maybe a beer.
It is so hot. I actually have my jacket open.
That's, yeah, unusual for you.
I think it's kind of actually a first. Yeah, I'm not maybe doing like city riding.
Ooh.
Doing 50, 60 miles an hour. I normally do it. And it's just that hot.
But it's not really, like, looking at the temperature thing, it doesn't seem like it should be, but yeah, it's warm.
The sun is fierce. So, Mike, any top tips for travelling in hot weather?
Well, if you look into this, there's loads of places that'll be, just go and buy a cooling vest, it'll cost you somewhere between 80 and 200 pounds. Or, you know, buy some other stuff or get lightweight armour, and that's all great, but it all costs money. What I have is a lot of vents, which is helpful. Just, you know, physiology of things says you should drink more. But one of the best bits of advice I've seen so far is get some decent sweat wicking materials to wear if it's comfortable, and if in doubt, wet the t-shirt that you're wearing and open the vents. It'll soon cool you down. And I see that. I think that would be excellent.
Yeah. I think a hydration pack is a must.
Yeah, I mean, I have made a conscious effort previously to wear a hydration pack so I drink more, because I know that I don't drink enough. But with the heat we've had, I just didn't want anything on me.
Yeah.
I kind of need another place for that to go.
I suppose you could strap it in front of you.
Yeah, I was just thinking some sort of tank bag configuration would be good.
Yeah. I think the ride yesterday when it was 30 degrees, being able to just have a drink as you're going. I like all of the mesh jackets and stuff as well.
Yeah, in particular if you're wearing air vest sort of thing, which covers your sort of back well, it's your whole torso protection really, isn't it? But if you can get a mesh vest that has your passive protection in your elbows and things like that with an air vest, then that would be lovely right now.
I saw a couple of like Reddit mesh jackets.
Yeah.
And they weren't that expensive.
Well, they shouldn't be. There's not made of much.
The Lincolnshire Wolds.
Oh, check it out, yo.
Actually, yeah.
We've got trike friends behind us.
Ooh. It is a weekend for trikes.
It is. Wonder if there's a thing on. Or maybe there's always a thing on in Lincolnshire.
I did enjoy yesterday when we were recording a podcast. A procession of trikes all went past us.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
I did get very excited about that, and I don't think I've ever been excited about trikes.
Apologies for all of the trike riders that listen along to our conversations. We respect you.
With respect, not for me. It was really cool. Let them had a very sort of like Mad Max vibe.
Mm.
Because one of you went, so you
Fuck's
all
sake,
went.
man.
Ride your own ride, guys.
Well, it might not be so bad if it was one. If it was just you, then you brake and it's fine. But you've got two bikes stacked behind you as well. It's just a bloody stupid thing to do. And you'd think they'd know better being bikers.
Well, yeah, I mean that's kind of a little bit why it's so annoying, because they know they just pulled out and I expected better. Oh, another trike up here.
A trike or is it a sidecar?
It's a sidecar.
Uh-huh.
I want to go see.
You want to go see? Pursuit. Is it going to be a person in there or a dog?
Yeah. It's honestly, genuinely hard to tell.
Oh, I don't like the trike behind me. It's a bit weird. I
Yeah.
feel like I'm being chased by something out of the Turtles.
Yeah, it looks strange. Something a bit sinister about it.
Yeah.
Grip take?
There you go.
Maybe a child.
Are they playing on their phone?
Really enjoying this wonderful activity. It's really cool though. I mean,
So high off the ground.
my brain doesn't really know what to do with it, to be honest. It's like, it's a motorbike,
It doesn't lean.
it doesn't lean.
So the trike behind me, I think I've now likened to something that's like chasing me from Half-Life or something. With a big central eye. That's Ravenholm. We don't go there anymore. Does this lovely person let me go past? I'm going to. Ooh. Yes, probably a child.
You just really want to get away from that trike, don't you?
Yeah, it's freaking me out. Well, bye, friends. Oh.
Petrol.
Oh. Oh, this is nice. Can we just stay here?
I wouldn't mind living there.
Yeah, that'd be alright. Oh, it's been sold.
Oh.
Otherwise, it was all yours.
Yeah, obviously. Try going 30 miles an hour. What?
Were you looking at the house and not looking at the parked cars?
I looked at both.
Okay, well done.
But,
Tank.
well, weirdly didn't see him there. Oh, it's very pretty here.
It is.
I love a mature garden as well. Yes.
Aye. course, now we've stopped, haven't we?
It's hot.
Mhm.
Maybe people watching this should play It's Hot Bingo every time we mention it.
Yeah, we'll get the count on. Ding! One.
Yeah.
In Durham we have blue meanies.
Sea green.
It was green. 134.9. This counts as sand riding, right? Such adventurous. We're practically doing the Dakar right now. Ooh. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, you and I have just had the same fairly horrific experience there. Is it because I was sassy and said we're practically doing the Dakar, or is that what's just happened? Oh, God. I like the your response to that was to go, ah. Yeah, mine was just a bit further back. Mm. Yeah. Well, there was. Right, turn this stuff off.